For all of you people on YouTube who like to watch cleaning videos, check this out. 1400 PSI pressure washer, bird bath that is good and dirty right here. So first of all, look at that. Look at how nasty that is. You can get that. It's heavy. That's what it looks like. Pretty clean. Now, turn the nozzle. That's what it's going to do. I'm going to write my name. Now we're going to clean. Look at all that grime. It's like going to the dentist before they get all the stuff out, before they use the suction. Gotta develop a pattern. It's like blending paint. Gotta do small circles. What did you do? Brush strokes or small circles when you blended? Strokes. I did small circles. Like worms. Smart. Here, we'll try your theory. Just a little bit of cleanup, and look. I hope the birds appreciate it. Nothing but our time involved, no chemicals. Now we're going to clean up just the stone, make it shine. Ready for the birds to return.